Here's my Gamefisher 1.2. It was a yard sale find for 50 bucks. Came with a 10-foot rubber boat, but that's another video. And a cool motor mount. Looks like it's in pretty good condition. A little dust on it. The decals are a little bubbled up. I don't know. It's been hanging in the barn for a couple of years. It's been run on the boat before. And basically, you know, it sounds like a weed whacker. Well, the instructions on this on the top says 50 to 1. So we're going to put a little 51 into it, but we checked the tank and it was dry, but there was a big old hunk of rubber in there, so we cleaned that out and rinsed it out and cleaned it out again. I'm gonna put a new fuel line and filter on this thing because it doesn't have a fuel filter. It has a shut off. Looks like it's shut off, so after this one I'm gonna drain it and get myself a fuel filter. Okay, here it goes. Put some fresh gas in it. Open the vent. Put it to running. Oh, that's a good sign. Set it to starting and running. Off to the tank.